She thinks I'm a little lazy, I think she's a little crazy. We like summer and we like spring, watching wrestling in the ring. She ain't shy, she speaks her mind, tough as nails and smooth as wine. We burn hot as kerosene, baby, we got our own thing.
Looks like some museum, but it's actually just a station.
Welcome to day 2 with 𝐂𝐚𝐬𝐿.
Welcome to day 2. I can't say hi again.
We're going to drop 𝐂𝐚𝐬𝐿 in her office. We are babysitting her till there. And then we are going to go ahead, explore the city. Yay! Up and about. We're going to grab some coffee and then just chill out and explore the city. Hopefully the wind is not muffling my voice.
Let's go to the zoo and feed the monkeys. I can lend them your baseball cap. Let's make the day a very lot of fun. Growing up is just a trap. Don't it seem like a drag? Like putting all of your joy in a big brown bag. I won't listen to any of that jazz. No, I'll never grow up. I'll never grow up. Growing up is just a big fat trap.
We sat here with some really pretty views on the other side.
I take pride in never working a day. Can't see the use shop it in.
Nice windy day, yes.
Oh jigs, windy city. Secret is to layer up, then cardigan, puffer jacket, and you're good to go.
Anyway, who can think I'm such a load of crap? Growing up is just a trap.
You were staying. Oh yeah, got it. Thank you. I'm getting a bit overwhelmed because I want everything, but obviously I can't carry everything. But people say that there are brands and things that are launched in USA which you don't see elsewhere. I get it now.
Well,
Meet the bean. Bean. Meet the dean.
don't it seem like a drag? Oh, like putting all of your joy in a big brown bag.
𝐂𝐚𝐬𝐿, what did you just tell me? Bye, going shopping now.
Happy shopping, Mona. Go build the US economy. Go, 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 go.
Trendsetter, I got style for you. Ain't seen you at the top, it's been a while for you. Big you up and they look down on you. Take one loss, no one's around for you.
Say hi, guys. Today's agenda, we're making pizza from scratch.
Here's the pizza sauce.
Yay! The entire thing? Oops.
No, mostly the edge where we won't have any sauce. So 𝐂𝐚𝐬𝐿 said you are doing Truman Show here.
Cheers, cheers.
Cheers!
Oh, we can see.
You can see yourself, yeah. Cheers!
Come, come, come.
We can remove everything, including the cooking stuff. Because I like the just the olive one.
Holiday spinach.
So one we can do a lip spinach, one something else. I used to get it has good review. That should be open.
Woohoo! No pressure, yeah?
Showtime!
Yum yum yum.
The next one's ready to go. Looks so good.
Did you get a cafe latte?
No, I knew it was a thriller going in, but I didn't know what to expect.
Right.
I really liked it. I was saying if one day like people are in a rush, you just don't realize you do something.
We are off.
So this is Sandy's
We're going to Adi School for Finance Festival. This is so cool.
Inspiring, no? This picture.
Hello. Should I say hello?
No, you don't have.
Hello.
When they say all the past cinemas, huh?
You can have two.
Ladies and gentlemen, very good. Today, once again, welcome aboard the just going to get ready to go. We're in the front flight time today, so it's going to be 2 hours.
We've got the next big upcoming USA artist with us.
Go stream my music.
You guys heard him. Go stream all his music. Spotify, Apple Music.
Spotify, Apple Music, Tidal, Instagram, you name it. SoundCloud.
And TikTok.
It's all there. It's all there.
Direction aircraft, please. Right turn off to departure.
Don't want to put you after you.
36,000.
If I zoom in with this, did you see it's a downtown?
Skyline.
Skyline?
Cater to US people. Like, torta is known as torta, but like people wouldn't notice that they put sandwich, right?
And after that, Sabi, you please rate the water.
4.5.
Okay, 𝐂𝐚𝐦𝐞𝐫𝐚 ready. Stop it! On the count of 3, you rate it out of 5, है ना? 5.
3.
What? Why?
How much did you give?
5!
Okay, try. One more take.
5. Okay. Okay, ready? Start.
Contest is open for like 3 weeks.
Oh wow! Transition.
I think this is 4, so it's
4?
Everybody had a hard year. Nobody got their pay. What a time for the lonely ones. Thought every dog had its day. What a time for the wicked, the hungry and the brave. Ain't no time left to pretend.
What's going on? Why are you upset? You're coming with us.
Lady, come.
She thinks she's going to be left at home. That's...
There is a life I lead in this city, hurrying to cut my teeth. I can take what I need to get by, it doesn't make it easy. The other piece of my heart moves slow, somewhere in the great unknown. When I return from the afternoon,
break it up.
me like I am born.
What's up, people? We're at Starved Rock. We are in the middle of Illinois, one of Illinois' biggest state parks, if not the only state park we have in Illinois. We got Adi in the back, Lady in the front. We got
Leading the pack?
yes, Lady is leading a pack of dogs. And you can see we got some hills up here, little canyon action. Very beautiful place. Nice forest. You got Bina. Bina, talk to the people. That's all you have to say. Uncle, say hello to the vlog.
It's a beautiful day.
It is.
Nice 74, 75 degree temperature.
This is for UK audience, so we need in Celsius.
Oh, maybe 20 degrees.
20 degrees, maybe. I think your math is off. Because it's 9.5 plus 32 is the conversion.
Alright.
74 minus 32 is what, 42? And then divided by 2? Oh, you're around right, yeah, 22. Okay, now we have another photo shoot. We're stuck in the middle again.
Come.
Look, we are in the middle of a photo.
Adi is gone.
As you can see, there's less hiking going on, more picture taking. Let's go talk to Lady. Excuse me. Lady, talk to the people, Lady. Lady, what do you gotta say? Lady. Hey, girl. They want to talk to you, Lady. They want to talk to you.
Together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone. Wait, hold on. Put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone.
Happy graduation day, guys.
Hi.
You can't say hi anymore. You've been banned to say hi in the video.
Happy graduation to you. Happy graduation to you. Happy graduation, dear Adi. Happy graduation to you.
You can't say hi anymore. You need to stop saying hi. Go on.
So first, we have to sit down and just watch. So then they tell you some inspiring, some generic speech they tell you. And you clap. And then you sit while they call like 700 names.
Oh, wow.
And then you have 5 seconds when your graduate is called, and then you're like, ooh, ooh! And then that's it. 5 seconds, and then you waste 5 hours of your brain classes.
Exactly.
I mean, this is like at this point of time, I wonder why did I spend all that money? I've just kept him home.
In public school.
So they call this.
Monisha.
She thinks I'm a little lazy, I think she's a little crazy. We like summer and we like spring, watching wrestling in the ring. She ain't shy, she speaks her mind, tough as nails and smooth as wine. We burn hot as kerosene, baby, we got our own thing. She ain't skinny and I ain't tall, and that don't bother us at all. I run naked through the yard, she flash every police car.
She stands on the sideline, dances slow and looks at me. She must be the sunlight, shines a little more tonight. I know I tried.
Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, so this is the end of Chicago vlog.
Bye bye.
Say bye.
Like,
Share.
and subscribe.
Yay!
And hit the notification bell.
Yay! And that too. This is without practice. You're not bad, guys. Bye.
Ciao.
Ciao.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Lady said bye.
Say bye to Lady Bob. Bye, Lady. Bye.